Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a wireless controller to your Xbox Series X or S. Now the first thing is you want to turn on the controller by pressing the Xbox button on the top. And then the controller light here will start to blink. Now we need to pair and sync the controller to our Xbox by holding down the button on the top for 3 seconds. And then there is a sync button on the Xbox as well we want to hold down. So hold down both buttons at the same time for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Now let go. Now both the lights will begin to blink and then they will be synchronized together, indicating that this controller is now connected to your Xbox Series X. Now at any point in time you're having a difficulty doing this, you could try completely turning off your Xbox, unplugging it from the wall outlet, turn it back on, and just see if clearing the cache fixes that. But the easiest way to fix this issue is simply getting a USB to USB-C cable here, and then plugging into the front of your Xbox, and then plug the other end into the controller. And this will bypass the wireless connection. Then you can see it's connected. Press the Xbox button a few times, just to make sure. And then you can unplug it, and it should be wirelessly connected now. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.